Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today video friends, so I will show you how to make a beautiful Christmas wood slice centerpiece or also a cozy and creative decorating that's perfect for your holiday table. Viewers, this craft is easy, friendly, and give that farmhouse Christmas look everyone loves. So let's get started. Viewers, you will need a large wood slice or wooden round. You can find this at any craft store. A candles or small lanterns, some pin cones, ribbon and small ornaments, artificial greenery or braille pins, branches, and optional extra like fairy lights, berry or fake snow. First, place your wood slice flat on the table. This will be base of your centerpiece. If you want, you can paint the edges white to look like snow or brush them white a little glitter spark. Now start decorating the top. Place your candles or lantern right in the center. That will be your main focus point. You can use one big candles or a few small ones. Just make sure they are stable and safe. Next, add some greenery around the candles, small pins, branches, and viewers, arrange them evenly so they circle around the candles. Cover the base a bit. This gives your centerpiece a natural woodland look. Now it's time to add some Christmas details. Place a few pin cones with berry or small ornaments in between the greenery. Viewers, you can mix texture, shiny ornaments, pin cones and soft leaves.